Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel, Crypto Dives. Now, today what I'm going to talk about is metaverse. Now, metaverse is one of the growing projects in the crypto industry. If you didn't know about metaverse, it's high time you like and subscribe, plus sharing our video, plus commenting down what you didn't understand or what videos would you like us to make about metaverse or other crypto ideas. Now, hit the link in the description, sign up with our Forex, with our crypto broker, plus following us on our social media platforms. All the links are down in the description. Now, without wasting time, I want this video to be a little bit short. We are going to talk about metaverse. What's metaverse? In brief, metaverse, meta itself, it means something beyond. Now, when you try to expand a little bit on this word meta, that means you are trying to think about something to happen, but it's not yet happening at the moment, but you are trying to think about something to happen in the nearby future. Now, verse, it comes from a word called universe. Now, when you combine the two, meta, you get the word called metaverse. Okay, now metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Now remember, for you to participate in the metaverse, you have to be wearing this what they call the virtual reality headsets. I don't know whether you're together. Now the virtual reality headsets, they are sort of like 3D glasses, but there is a way they program this majorly for virtual and working through the technology which is being used in the metaverse. Now they are like, sort of like a 3D glass. That's what I can try to explain. Now metaverse, it is the universal virtual world that is facilitated by the use of the virtual reality and augmented reality headsets. Now in the metaverse, you'll be able to teleport using your avatar and you move from one place to another, because it is a virtual world, a universal virtual world, like we have said. You will be able to move from one country, traveling to another country, but in a virtual way. Now in brief, metaverse is a universal virtual world facilitated by the use of the virtual reality and augmented headsets, by the use of the internet. Because for you to participate in the metaverse, of course you have to be using the internet. So that's it. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video, because we are still sharing a lot of content, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance. We'll meet again in another video.